one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hi. You're not taking my calls. Tears been flowing like waterfalls. I just want us to talk. At least tell me what I did. Is your heart too small and I don't fit? Oh, sorry. That question was stupid. I'm mad at myself for struck by Cupid. Fell in love at the wrong time. I know that's not the reason why you quiet. I never showed you signs. Did I somehow cross the line? Are you okay? Is everything fine? Are you ignoring me or you just don't got time? If you reply to this voice message, you stop me from crying. I blame myself now. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe we just don't get along. But no, he seemed so happy when I sang him that song. No, you're such a fool. What did you do? Didn't you keep everything cool? Don't let him use you like a fool. Someone. Ngithangibuze ngizitshelani phakathi kwami nawe qhubekani khona engikwenzile mhlawumbe uthulelani ngidala ngikhala lezi nyembezi asisavumi nakusuleka inhliziyo yami kudala yahliphuka mphefumulo wagcina ngokuphuleka usho phela mase singesikwazi ukuzwana usho mase uhluleka ngeke uvele uthule ungishiye ngilenga bamba ucingo ngiyakucela. This is the 100th missed call. Please answer your phone. I swallowed my pride and decided to apologize even though I wasn't wrong. But maybe I need my pride. Cause I can't lie, I'm tired. These tears are too much, I'm giving up, I've tried. Is it the feelings you caught? You felt like I wouldn't love you back, is that what you thought? You thought I was with that other nigga, didn't you? But then I'm crazy about you. It's been a month being ignored by you. You're getting over me, but I've fallen deeply for you. You forgetting me, but I'm miserably missing you. This is sad. I thought one day it would be me and you against the whole world. You might not feel anything, but please put yourself in my shoes. Whatever I did, I'm sorry. Bengithi makuhamba isikhathi ngizokuchazela esami story. Bengithi makuhamba isikhathi uzogcina usibambile ifone. Bengithi makuhamba isikhathi uzongitshela ibikuphi inkinga uthi sorry. This is my 100th missed call. Please answer your phone. Wait, is your girl home? Do you live together now? Please tell me no. Oh, this is voicemail you won't answer, but it's impossible, I know. You're in my head. I thought by now I'd be giving you head. I thought you'd know tears would be shed. Why are you so quiet? I thought you cared. You made me believe in love again, like I caught feels. But I tried blocking them, found my heart a shield. I made sure you didn't see, had my lips sealed. But you just went over on me. I guess you don't know how it feels. This is one long voice message. Shit. I wanted you to know I miss you and I caught feels. Ngazi ngenzeni kodwa ngethemba ngelinye ilanga uyongixolela mhlawumbe uyokwazi ukunixelela. This is my 100th missed call. I guess you won't answer your phone.